Welcome to the AI Recruiter DNA Accelerator program. This is where we turn executive search consultants and recruiters into confident AI-first professionals. By the end of this program, you'll have a fully functioning AI assistant working alongside you in sourcing, messaging, and search delivery. This is our roadmap. It's structured into 3 clear phases. First, in red, you can see we build your AI foundation. Then in blue, we put AI to work in real-world scenarios. Finally, in green, we build and deploy your very own AI assistant. Pretty cool, right? You'll have wins at every step, not just at the end. I guess I should introduce myself. I'm Larry Hernandez, your instructor. I've been recruiting for some of the biggest brands out there, and with over 25 years of experience, I'll be honest. Figuring out how to actually use AI in my day-to-day work wasn't easy at first. But once I took a step back and built a clear system from start to finish, it all clicked. That's exactly what I'm here to walk you through today. Before we go further, download your workbook. This is your GPS for the program. Unlike most courses, we're not throwing hours of theory at you. This program mixes explanations with practice, allowing you to learn and engage actively. And it's designed to produce one result, a full transformation in the way you think and use AI. Most professionals don't fail at AI because they're lazy or uninterested. They fail because the tools are fragmented, the instructions are vague, and no one has created a system for recruiters that works. Keep in mind, tools like ChatGPT are built for research, not work, and this technology is so cutting edge there is no instruction manual. That's what we're solving here. Now keep in mind, I've worked with recruiters at all levels from all over the world, and I've noticed some clear patterns. The first big blocker? Overwhelm. I hear it all the time. I don't even know where to start with ChatGPT. And when there's no clarity, most people just don't use it at all. The second blocker is inconsistency. Even when recruiters do start experimenting, the results are all over the place. One day AI is helpful, the next day it's confusing. That makes it hard to trust it as part of your workflow. And the third blocker, maybe the biggest one, is fear of losing that human touch. Recruiters pride themselves on relationships, intuition, and real conversations. So the idea of using AI can feel cold or robotic, like it's taking something away instead of adding value. Our mission is to take you from overwhelmed and unsure to clear, confident, and equipped. Not only will you be able to solve and overcome most everyday problems, you'll build a real assistant that supports your work every day and drives real ROI from AI. I bet you never imagined you could do something like that. You're not alone in this. These pain points are real. I've seen them over and over again. But so is the path forward. So let's move into the exact steps you'll take to overcome them, starting with step 1, AI foundations. At first, some students want to skip this step and jump ahead. Trust me, this is a mistake. So I need you to do your part and follow the program. You will thank me later. This is where we lay the groundwork. You'll learn how to shift your mindset, get comfortable with prompting, and start treating ChatGPT like a trusted recruiting partner, not just a fancy tool. This is where we start. Step 1 is all about building confidence. We'll demystify how ChatGPT actually works and show you how to talk to it like a teammate, not a tool. The result? You stop second-guessing yourself and start getting useful, reliable outputs that actually help you move faster in your work. Now, one of the biggest complaints I hear about AI and tools like ChatGPT is that it just sounds robotic, like it's not me. That's what step 2 is all about. We'll show you how to train ChatGPT to sound like you, your tone, your structure, your language. So instead of rewriting everything it spits out, you'll get polished, authentic messages that sound like they came straight from you, without the endless edits. This is where most people waste hours, repeating prompts, losing chats, starting from scratch every time. Step 3 fixes that. We'll show you how to set up custom instructions, turn on memory the right way, and organize your AI projects so everything's in one place. That means less chaos, more consistency, and a setup you can actually scale. Ever had a vague client intake? You're not alone. Step 4 teaches you how to use AI to ask smarter questions, capture what actually matters, and turn messy notes into clear, actionable job scorecards. These scorecards don't just guide your search. They show your clients you're buttoned up and ahead of the game. Next, we cover from job brief to sourcing strategy. This is where it all starts to click. Step 5 shows you how to pull out the right search inputs and build a sourcing plan with AI's help. including company lists, Boolean strings, and targeting criteria. The best part? You stay aligned with your hiring manager the whole way through, all while leaning on AI to do the heavy lifting. Step 6 helps you write outreach that feels human, structured, and personalized without having to type every word from scratch. We'll use AI to build a 3-step email sequence that actually gets responses and keeps your pipeline moving. Now that you've seen what's possible, it's time to pick your first assistant. We keep it simple. Choose one task you repeat all the time, define the input and output, and we'll help you build a repeatable system around it. No more reinventing the wheel every day. Next, we onboard your new AI assistant. This is where we feed your assistant the good stuff, examples, templates, and context. You don't need to be a prompt engineer. You just need to give AI what it needs to sound smart, relevant, and ready to help. Amazing, together we have built your first AI assistant. Now what? Your assistant is live. Now it's time to test it in the wild. You'll learn how to fine-tune the tone, improve accuracy, and shape responses so your assistant grows with you, not against you. This is the shift. It's where you stop just using tools and start utilizing them to free up time and create high-quality, consistent work. Before we wrap, here's what's next. First, join the RecruiterDNA community. It's where you'll connect with other recruiters, get support, and stay up to speed on new tools and ideas. Then please fill out the onboarding form. This will help me use examples that are relevant to you. I'm super excited to be working with you on this AI journey, and I will see you soon.